Oftentimes we work with buyers who've worked hard, they saved their money, they've got the money they need for a down payment. Unfortunately, they don't have the money for the closing cost. They Bill, what can we do? So what we do most of the time, what we see happen most of the time, and I'm going to use some fictitious, extremely low numbers here to paint a picture for you. So if you're buying a house for $100,000 and you've got $5,000 of closing cost, what you can do is go in and offer the seller to pay $105,000 for the house and have them contribute $5,000 of that back towards your closing cost. And so what this does, it gets the seller the $100,000 that they were asking for in the first place, so they're not really losing any money. And so most of the time we see them willing to do that if they're getting the money that they need to get. And then what this does, it decreases or eliminates the closing cost you have to come to closing with on top of your down payment needs. So every loan program has different limitations on how much the seller can contribute. If you're going with a conventional loan and you're putting down 5% or less, you're limited to 3% of the purchase price. If you're putting down more than 5%, you can go up to 6% and sometimes as much as 9%, although the down payment is pretty large to get to that 9% number. Government loan programs, FHA and USDA, they allow 6%, and really VA has no limit on what the seller can contribute towards the buyer's closing cost. VA also allows seller concessions and allows the seller to pay some things that not allowed on other loan programs. So there are ways to come up with the money that you need for closing costs and something to talk to your real estate agent about. You can give us a call. We'll be happy to talk with you and give you some further guidance if that's needed.